Welcome to ScholarMatics. In the previous video, we discussed how to expand binomial expression with the positive operation at the center of the terms. So the link to the video will be in the description. To recap what we learned, binomial expression is a mathematical expression with two terms. So this binomial expression can be expanded to a particular power. So here we have a binomial expression with a negative operation between the two terms, that is the minus. So how do we expand this expression? So since it is in the power of 3, the coefficients we need are 1, 3, 3, and 1. So how this Pascal's triangle is drawn was also explained in the previous video. So let's get down to business. So to expand this expression, we pick the first term, that is 2. So our first term here is 2, and our second term is minus 3x. So we pick our first term, that is 2. We raise it to the power of 3, since we're expanding the power of 3. We pick our second term, that is minus 3x. We raise it to the power of 0. So the first term will be to 3, while the second term must be to the power of 0. So the first term is increasing. The first term decreases down to 0, while the second term increases up to 3. So we add our plus sign. Then we leave a little space to add the coefficients, which we'll add later on. The first term again, 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 3x raised to the power of 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 0 multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 3. So now we add the coefficients, that is 1, 3, 3, 1. So expanding this, we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 0 is 1, since any number raised to the power of 0 is 1, plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, multiplied by 3, multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 1 is minus 3x. So, or added with 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 2 is 9x squared, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0, that is 1, multiplied by minus 3x raised to the power of 3, minus 3 raised to the power of 3 is minus 27, x raised to the power of 3, s cubed. Simplifying this, for that 1 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1, that is 8, plus 3 multiplied by 4, 12, multiplied by minus 3x, that is minus 36x, plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 12, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, multiplied by 9x squared, that is 54x squared, plus 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 27x cubed is minus 27 s cubed. So our final answer here is 8 plus 8 minus 36 x plus 5 plus 54x squared minus 27 s cubed. So that is the result to the binomial expression 2 minus 3x all raised to the power of 3. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The link to the previous video is in the description below. Bye bye. So don't forget, the best way to know maths is to do maths.